coming out of Robbie's place. We followed the Bobcat up here. It was kind of slippery coming up this hill. Going down, we should be okay. We got a lot of shit-ass snow up here. Now it's starting to snow again, so hopefully we can keep this thing on the road. We got it in high lock, so transfer case should be doing its thing. If the Bobcat wouldn't have come through here, I wouldn't have been able to do this. We had to come in and get fuel for some people that are out of gas for their generators. We've been up here for almost 2 weeks now without being able to get out, so we're helping the neighbors out. We knew where there was some fuel, so we went and got it. Anyhow, I might go back to driving here in a minute. That was the bad part back there. We're doing okay. You can see it is snowing again. It's really beautiful up here. It's really neat. Get the wiper on. All by ourselves up here. There's about there's 10 of us behind our community gate back here. Other than that, it's another 3 miles to anybody else's cabins or houses or whatever. So we'll resume this in a little bit. It's a Benji production.